Today we are making a simple dish and packed with Portuguese flavors. A warm bowl of red beans, rice, and Rappini. Perfectly Malandrinho, meaning saucy and comforting. Grams of red kidney beans cooked, 300 grams of carolino rice, 100 grams of Rappini, 1 onion chopped, 1 garlic clove chopped, olive oil, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of pimento paste, half a chouriço sliced, salt and pepper to taste, 3 cups of water. In a large pot, add a drizzle of olive oil and gently saute the garlic and the chopped onion. Add the tomato paste, the pimento paste, and the sliced chouriço. Stir to combine. Pour in the water and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for 10 minutes so the flavors come together. Add the rice, stir, and once it begins to boil again, add the beans. Finally, add the Rappini and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. Let it cook uncovered for 15 minutes. Serve immediately while still hot and saucy. And that's our red bean rice with Rappini. A classic Portuguese dish that's full of love and flavor. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me what you would like to see next. Faça e coma! Simmering the base with the chouriço infuses the broth with deep smoky flavor. The rice should remain a little soupy. That's what we call malandrinho.